With hundreds of chatbots using different algorithms, the AI field is more competitive than ever. So we decided to pick 2 popular chatbots and ask them a ridiculous question. We guarantee that the result will wow you. Join us as we investigate this and attempt to ascertain whether these successful methods can actually predict stock values for us. Rapid advances in artificial intelligence have led to the development of strong language models that can mimic human speech, including ChatGPT and Google Bard. These language models can understand and produce text that closely resembles human speech patterns by utilizing natural language processing. Studies show that the global chatbot market is expected to grow from $2.25 billion in 2021 to an incredible $6.92 billion in 2023. We will compare and contrast ChatGPT with Google Bard's features, content production capabilities, search engine integration, and plagiarism detection. Though both ChatGPT and Google Bard are AI language models intended to provide human-like responses to cues, they differ greatly from one another. The businesses that back them make the largest distinction. Google, a sizable, highly resource-rich tech firm, supports Google Bard, while ChatGPT, created by OpenAI, is only dedicated to AI language models. Because of their large investment, Google is able to devote more resources to enhancing and refining their AI models. Another important distinction is the training data used in their development. Google Bard is trained on a bigger text dataset from the internet, whereas ChatGPT employs a much smaller text dataset. Google Bard can now access a wider range of text data, which enhances its capacity to generate responses for longer queries. Furthermore, Google Bard has unique characteristics that set it apart from ChatGPT. For instance, ChatGPT can write poetry and song lyrics fairly well, even if its primary function is to reply to commands via text. Furthermore, ChatGPT still focuses mostly on English, whereas Google Bard offers multilingual comprehension and response creation capabilities. Approximately 25 million people use ChatGPT daily at this time. On the other hand, experts forecast that Google Bard will become immensely popular and may perhaps reach 1 billion users once it is made publicly available. Either way, the aim of both models is to mimic language that is similar to that of humans. They employ natural language processing techniques to interpret and respond to cues, enabling conversational communication with users. Undoubtedly, both are substantial, powerful language-based chatbots. We decided to see if Tesla stock was available. We asked about likely insights into Tesla's price by the end of 2023 and the key factors that could affect it. But as some of you may already know, ChatGPT is trained with data collected up until September 2021. A characteristic of machine learning models like GPT is this knowledge cutoff. These models do not update their understanding after training. Instead, they hold on to the knowledge they have gleaned from the data they have been exposed to. Training a model like GPT is a laborious process that requires a significant investment of time and computational power. The model is reduced to a static representation of the knowledge it learned from its training data when the training phase is finished, and this representation only includes factual information that has been learned since the generation of the dataset. Because of this, ChatGPT's remarks are predicated on the globe in 2021. In order to account for new information, the model would need to be retrained using a new dataset, including current data, even if it is now 2023. Thus, until such retraining takes place, ChatGPT's worldview will stay frozen in 2021. That seems like a fascinating limitation to me. As said earlier, ChatGPT was unable to provide us an exact price, but did identify a few factors that could affect stock prices this year. Due to its strong recovery from a significant 50% decline in its stock value in 2022, investors are showing interest in Tesla Nasdaq TSLA once more. Numerous factors, such as aggressive price reductions, improved macroeconomic conditions, and a broad market rebound, have contributed to this rebirth. Tesla continues to pique investors' interest as the leading manufacturer of electric vehicles (EVs) in the world, generating a lot of talk and speculation about the company's possible stock price. According to the AI chatbot, the primary factors influencing Tesla's stock price in the future include the company's financial success, Elon Musk's potential influence, shifting market sentiment, and the company's historical stock market performance. Past performance has a significant impact on investor sentiment and future price movements. In terms of revenue growth and earnings, Tesla's most recent quarterly report surpassed Wall Street estimates, with the latter slightly exceeding the former. Global demand for electric vehicles is another critical factor that investors should closely monitor. Tesla's performance in the rapidly expanding electric vehicle market has the power to significantly affect investor sentiment and even drive the price of the company's shares, given its dominant position as the largest EV manufacturer in the world. Comprehending and adhering to these concepts is necessary in order to forecast the future stock price of Tesla and make prudent investment choices. On the other hand, we asked Google's AI chatbot Bard the same question. When we realized that some of the forecasts had come true, we were shocked. This time, a Tesla share will cost between $200 and $300 by 2023, according to Google's chatbot. Furthermore, It said that the prediction is predicated on the idea that Tesla will be well positioned to boost sales and profitability as long as the risks to the company's share price are minimized. We were wondering, what do you think could be Tesla's stock price by the end of 2027, and now is when the exciting part begins. The response was quite fascinating. Several market factors, such as inflation, interest rates, and economic growth, will persist in influencing the performance of Tesla's stock in 2027. Analysts have projected Tesla's stock price in a variety of ways through 2027. At that point, the well-known investment firm ARK Invest establishes a $22,000 price objective for each Tesla share. According to Coin Price Forecast, a service that specializes in stock price and cryptocurrency forecast, Tesla's stock price might reach $1,093 per share by the end of 2027. A different prediction puts Tesla's price target for 2027 at $1,400 per share, according to financial news and analysis business Benzinga. It's important to remember, though, that these projections are speculative and that the actual stock price may differ from them. Bard can be compared to a cross between a virtual assistant and a search engine, while ChatGPT is more productivity-oriented. Bard is particularly useful when you need an answer to a certain question, whereas ChatGPT excels at brainstorming topics and ideas. What sets Bard apart from ChatGPT is that it may provide responses based on current information gathered from the internet, whereas ChatGPT employs a fixed data set that hasn't been updated since 2021. Bard is more adept at answering current, pertinent questions in a timely manner. Another advantage of Bard is that it gives users access to a larger variety of potentially complex responses by letting them read many drafts or iterations of their responses. On the other hand, ChatGPT usually answers questions with a single, usually brief response. Both chatbots are simple to use and provide prompt responses to queries. To use Bard, you will want a Google account, which you can simply create if you don't already have one. On the other hand, ChatGPT lets you sign up using any email address, including your work email, so you can use it straight away. That brings everything to a close. AI chatbots will function admirably when put to their intended use. Please let us know which chatbot you prefer and why you use it most frequently. Please use the comment section below to share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button. See you shortly.